I was talking to a client a few weeks back, and I was really shocked to learn that the client was thinking of moving away from their current cloud to another cloud just because a sales representative was able to give them some 10 to 15% discount on their whole cloud bill for that year. And that was the only reason this client wanted to jump ships. They were not really thinking about how would they move their workloads, how would the new cloud provider be able to provide whatever they were getting now. And without really thinking, they thought maybe they were just replacing apples with oranges and everything would be same. Now, I understand that sometimes the decision of changing cloud providers makes sense, but just changing cloud providers on the basis of discount on the bill doesn't make sense. Even I would say just changing a cloud based on one or two reasons is really a red flag. You should really think this decision through. I'm not favoring any cloud provider here. You could be on AWS, or you could be on Azure, GCP, or even on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and that might just suit you according to your use case. But you just jumping ship because you um, got a got some discount on your cloud bill, or if you had a leadership change who have a certain preference for a new cloud provider, that really is not the right way to do it. So when you should change your cloud provider, that is the main question. Look, the thing is, it depends. Yes, I know it's a very generic, obscure answer, but it really is, because if you think about it, why did you select this your current cloud provider in first place? Just review those reasons. If those reasons still stand and your cloud provider is meeting those requirements, then why are you changing it? Is it just because someone is promising you discount, or if someone is promising you some new nifty features which you even haven't tested, or what is it you are changing to? Is it some performance optimization? Would it increase your productivity and efficiency, and would it make your life easier? There should be at least 10 to 15 reasons to convince you thoroughly, and then you should do some proof of concepts, POCs, to make sure what you are being promised is there. And if you are price is one concern, and if you are jumping ships due to the price concern, I would highly suggest you lock down that discount for 3 years and bargain and haggle on the price like crazy, because the destination cloud provider will give you everything to change you. But again, it is much worse to remain in a cloud unsuitable for you than to change the cloud. So if you have migrated to any cloud, and if you are realizing that it is not meeting your requirement, you're not getting the support you were thinking you will get, you're not getting any price to performance benefits, your life has become harder than it was on-prem, then instead of suffering, I think it is better to switch. Consider the enormous cost of not letting go of your cloud provider unsuited for your job. The cost of this suffering, the time and the effort wasted trying to adapt to your cloud providers, uh, or getting them adapt to your requirement, and the greater pain of letting them go after 2 or 3 years is not really justified. If you The sooner you let go of your cloud provider who is not suitable for your um, requirement, the better. If you just hang in there and suffer hoping for things to improve, that's not a good idea. Keeping your cloud provider in that situation is not suited. It is terrible for them too, because it will allow them to live in a false reality while holding back their own evolution. They might think that they're meeting your requirement where they are not, because if they learn your pain point, and if you switch over, either they will improve, and that will also provide benefit to their vertical, that will also benefit you. So don't let yourself be held hostage to any cloud provider. There is always someone else. Never compromise your standard or let yourself be squeezed. I hope that this was useful. If you are thinking of moving or switching the cloud providers, or if you have done that, it would be really great and helpful if you could share the reasons in the comment section. Thank you very much.